Hi, Sarah here. I've got a quick haul video for you today. This is my little rainbow moon kit. This is the October one. So without further ado, I'm going to unwrap everything and show you what I got. So this month's creative kit in watercolours is Journal Joy. And there's always a bit of a write-up about it. And this month's artist is Maria Zadie. I presume that's how you pronounce it. And there's where you can find her on Instagram. So she uses a lot of bright abstract and floral colour contrasted with intricate pen work. So that's what's influenced this kit. So we have the watercolours, which I'll open at the end, and I will do swatches. I'll just do a bit of a speed up video right at the end with swatches of that, so I'll open that last. So to begin with, we have, the watercolours are Candy Crush, Mustard, Tangerine and Juniper. We have stickers, 2 sticker sheets using the guest artist's artwork, and a second one with lots of lovely colourful journal words on to go with it. So gorgeous. We have some journal cards as well, which are in here. Even the little stickers that seal all the bits are really pretty in these kits. I will of course link Joe's shop below, which is Little Rainbow Moon. So these are the these are the journal cards. Apologies if you can hear my little boy squeaking away downstairs. We have some collage elements. So we have 2 black and white card prints, which are here. We have printed Tomo River paper. I believe that's this one here. We have some tissue paper. Some hand-painted washi, which is on this sheet here, which is really interesting. So it's like a sheet of washi that then got the paint added on top. It's got a really nice texture to it because it's been hand painted on top. So that's really cool. And then finally we have a stencil for mark making. We have a sponge and some black and white gesso. So if you're new to mixed media, this is a great kit to get because you get a little sample to try out and see how it all works. And then finally we have a pen for doing doodles and journaling. So that is everything that's in the creative kit for this month, which again is called Journal Joy, and with the guest artist Maria Zadie at Marauders, I think that's hers on Instagram. And finally I will open up the watercolours. So each month the watercolour comes with a swatch card that you can add the colours to. I highly suggest that you do swatch them because the colours in person are so much different than they are. Like for instance, this one just looks like black from here, but obviously once it's swatched you'll see the difference in the colour. So what I'll do is, they're called Candy Crush, Mustard, Tangerine and Juniper, and I will now quickly speed up the video and give them all a bit of a paint onto my swatch book and show you that at the end. So thanks for joining me today. If you'd like to see some of my creations that I make using the arty and crafty supplies I buy, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Bye.